I'm not sure if you had a chance to look at the video I did. It's quite long. I've also done a blog. You can download that, or if you just drop me a message if you haven't got it, I can send you a link. Or go on Spotify. We're on Spotify, Sunsync on Spotify. It should also be on iTunes, a podcast. So it's nice to listen to while you're driving as an alternative. And the training video is all there. So thank you anyway for taking interest and looking at it. I'm actually still in Shanghai, last few days of the quarantine hotel. The virtual background at the back of me, so it looks a little bit better than showing a hotel room. I'm sure you don't want to see that. So I'm at the factory in a few days, well, early next week. I'll show you a lot more on how things are produced and a lot more about us. And, you know, what else? Thank you for your support. So hopefully let's move forward and lots and lots of things to show you. Thank you again anyway.